How to create Garena account. For this, search for Garena sign up and tap on where it says registration and go ahead and open it. Now let's go and fill this registration form. So right here you have to enter the username. You can also enter the username that is linked to any of the Garena games. Then create a strong password and confirm your password. Once you do that, write your email address in this box. Then select a region or your country. Then tap on I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy of Garena. Now, once you do this, all you have to do is tap on register now icon. Then you can save your password or just skip it. And simply like that, your account has been created. Now you can tap on verify email now to get access of your account. Then you will simply land here in the dashboard of your Garena account center. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.